Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Today in the shop we're going to make this inexpensive hat rack. You can sell these or make these for family members very cheaply. I use these little buttons, they're called wood buttons. So you pre-drill your hole where you're going to mount this to the door or the wall. And I'm mounting it to the door. Whoop. So they just push in there and you tap them in after you screw them in. These little hooks or pegs I got from a local woodworker that sold them very cheaply, so I bought 20 or 30 of them for 10 bucks, maybe. So stick around, let's make this. My son asked for 4 hooks, and the door was 24 inches wide, so I made this 23 inches wide, and just kind of played around with the spacing until I liked it. It's always cool to make your own shop tools. I made this all from an old nail and a piece of hickory I harvested from a tree like 7 years ago. This hole size is just what I test cut with a Forstner bit, whatever fit your pegs. Those pegs looked a little wonky, so I used the square to straighten those out. I overdid the glue just a little bit. As Daniel says, added ever glue. Last step is to drill out for the screw hole. I'm drilling oversized so that my little buttons can be inserted together. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe. My son really is enjoying this coat rack now.